guys, it's Ship here, and this is this week's cruise news. Before I get into the news, I would like to say that I had a great 2 weeks on Anthem of the Seas. It was a bit rocky the last 2 days after we left Lisbon. The Bay of Biscay is not very good at the moment. I keep seeing it on all the Facebook groups with all the other ships going through it. So yeah, that was fun. But yeah, we had a good overall 2 weeks. Saw some really interesting places and did some fun stuff on the cruise. So the review will be coming soon. I will be editing the ship tour on my next day off. And yeah, you may notice also there's a different background. I picked this up in Southampton. I got 2 posters. This is Independence of the Seas. So it's yeah, my favourite ship is now my background. It's literally a massive poster. Let me move here. There. And then it goes down there as well. It's huge. So yeah, this is now the new background. So I hope you guys like it. And the first bit of news I've got for you guys this week is that Norwegian Prima has had 1 year of service, and I think it's been a pretty successful year. I've not heard much of complaining about the ship, and I've seen quite good reviews about it as well. And also, coming with the 1 year of Prima, Norwegian Viva, the second ship in the class, has been delivered and will be making its debut in 2 weeks' time. So a very busy period for Norwegian Cruise Line. Disney Cruise Line has upped some more prices, and this is to do with its Wi-Fi this time. It was $12 a day, and it's now gone up to $16 a day. And if you want it for 24 hours on the ship, it is now $18 a day. So that's quite a big increase. That's a $4 increase. So that is quite a big increase to put in one go. So yeah, it would be interesting to see what the reaction will be to that increase. This week in my cruise ship memorabilia collection, I'm going to show you these caps. I got them just before I went on Anthem, and the Utopia of the Seas arriving summer 2024, and there's 3 of them, all different colours. And they also, if you put ice and water in them, I don't have any ice, they change colour. So that's really cool. I thought I'd pick them up. I don't know how someone would have ever got hold of these, or what ship or what time these would have came out. But I thought it was really cool to have. So now I've got 3 Utopia of the Seas caps that change colour when you put ice in them. Embassy's Cruises Private Island announced a few weeks ago that it would be closing for 6 weeks, but now we know a bit more about it. It will be a £100 million upgrade, and it's their phase 2 of upgrading that island, and it will help with operation and guest services on the island, and it will cost around about $100 million. So it'd be really interesting to see what the final thing and what they do add on to it. But yeah, it's really interesting that they are investing more and more into that island. Princess Cruises has announced that it is partnered up with an NFL team, the LA Rams, and they are now the luxury cruise destination for the LA Rams, which is quite interesting because the person that owns LA Rams also owns Arsenal, so you never know, might be some more money for Arsenal, so that is good news for both parties. And the last bit of news I got for you guys this week is that Beetlejuice, the Broadway show on board Norwegian Viva, will not be played on its maiden voyage, which is quite disappointing. If you're booking to go on the first cruise, you'll be disappointed. If you're booking the first cruise, you always know there is a bit of a risk of things not happening or things not working, but you will be a bit annoyed. But yeah, they've said it will not be going on during the first sailing. So if you're looking forward to seeing Beetlejuice, you would have to rebook and try again, because it will not be on during its maiden voyage. That is all the news I've got for you guys this week. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's very much appreciated. I'm literally 5 away from 700, so if you could go and press that, it would be really appreciated. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter, so link is in the description below to go and follow me on those platforms. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.